I've knowed this wee town near all my days. The meeting house I went to as a wean is here, and the library, where I gathered books to read and took them home as precious things. You pass through here on the way to somewhere else, I used to say, but stop here and you'll find the quiet beauty of the place. The sperrins rise ayont the small green fields, and the Agivy River, filled with trout and salmon, runs soft and quiet forby the town. A wee museum, a grand gunk for such a country spot, tells yarns of bygone days and the history of the town. Fair days, battles, grand folk in a big house, and even a pyramid. It's all here. I mark the seasons here through the 12-month in the wood. It's a bonny spot. And meet money yums that love nature too, and cycling and walking and learning about the history of the place. Then take a danner down to the pantry kitchen for warmth, a bit of crack and a good warm bite of food to eat. Folk work hard here to connect and give back into each other, and I'm glad of that. It's a friendly wee town with a big heart. That's Garva.